Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of every time I upload a video. So I wasn't planning on filming today. I've been doing a lot of running around and trying to coordinate my daughter's care. But anyway, before all that happened, if you know from my last video, Wednesday night I ordered from Cosmeticsbyanaa. And I'll leave her link to her Instagram down below. And I got the package today. All I've done is rip off my address and cut the box. So there's the box. And we are going to open this. She had a sale on her site. She sells, I don't know much about her. I found out about her through Jessica Vargas. This is the card. And here is the info, if you want to screenshot that. So you can see what theme it is. But I didn't order all Chucky. But anyway, this is what the box looks like. I'm going to open it up. So I'm going to take one thing at a time. I see some stickers. Oh no, it's bubble wrapped. Okay. Alright, so taking this out first. I got the little makeup brush set because Jack Skellington, because why not? They're so cute. So here's a little bag for them. And here's the Jack Skellington brush. I'm sure you've seen these before. I'm just going to slide them all out of the bags first. So all this was on sale, and I believe I only paid $5 per item. If I'm not mistaken, I would have to look, and I'll let you know down below. But this is what they look like, and the brush is on the bottom. And that's that. Oh, and one more. That's the brush. So that's cute. That is real cute. Okay. So the next item is sponges. And they're the Jack Skellington. Or no, they're just horror sponges. Halloween sponges. There's Freddy Krueger, Scream, Jack Skellington, and then the same in different color, Freddy and two Jacks. So that's cute. I probably won't use these. I'll probably just display them. But whatever. Alright, so the next thing, because I can't remember what I ordered after all the stress I've been through. Look how cute these stickers are. I'm trying not to wreck it, but it's going to get wrecked. Maybe not. There we go. I figured I wanted to try the makeup first, so why not buy what was on sale, right? So this is what the front of this is. And this is a sleeve. There's the front of that. I forget what this is. Okay, this is a palette. This is the Jack and Sally, or Jack Skellington palette. Look how pretty. That doesn't even do it justice. This is purple. Wow, that's really pretty. Different. Okay. I'm not going to test these out today. That's cute. Okay, next item. There's two things in here, and it's bubble wrap. It has a Chucky sticker. Oh my god, these stickers are so cute. And if I can save them... Ooh, I got that one. Look. I'll put them on something. Alright, so we got... This says... Lashes by Anna. I believe this is a sleeve. Lashes by Anna. I don't have my, printout from what I ordered because I just can't remember. Oh, this was the, blush and contour palette. So that's what that looks like. That's cute, huh? Alright. I'm sorry this is so awkward. Coordinating someone's care if you have a handicapped person that doesn't speak well or answer questions appropriately and you have to speak for them. It's like I feel like a parrot. I have to keep repeating why I'm speaking for her. And I mean, of course, they ask her questions and she just agrees with whatever they say. And then they realize, okay, I better talk to mom. But, and I don't blame them because of HIPAA and all that, but, geez. Alright, this is the next thing. I don't remember what it is. Let's take it out of the package. Alright, this is the eyeshadow palette. Look how pretty. That's really cute. Alright, so next is... This might be the mirrors I got. So this is the box. Oh, it is. Okay. And that's Chucky and Tiffany. It's a little mirror. Very cute. And then I got a Jack Skellington one. Now, the Chucky and Tiffany one, I'm going to give to my daughter, Heidi. And this is... Can you see it through the plastic? Let me take it out. Yeah, I'm going to give her because she loves Chucky, and she has both, she has the Chucky and Tiffany doll, and she watches all the movies, but that's the Jack Skellington mirror. It's a nice size mirror. I can dig it. And that is all I ordered, and I think, like I said, it'd be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, maybe $40. My shipping was $3.95. I remember that. I think it came to $42 for all of that stuff. So we got the contour and blush palette, got the eyeshadow palette, 2 mirrors, the collector Halloween sponges, and the Jack Skellington eyeshadow palette, and the makeup brushes. I thought it was great. Everything looks beautiful. Again, it's Cosmeticsbyanaa, and her website is Lashes by Anna. I'll leave everything down below. And that's it. That's my unboxing. We will definitely be doing some looks with these palettes, and I will definitely be ordering more things from her. How cute. And thank you for shipping so quickly. I mean, it was like 9, 10 o'clock at night on Wednesday, and it's Monday. No, yes, it's Monday. I'm sorry, my brain is fried. So, look at these stickers. How cute they are. I'm going to stick them on something to keep them. So, that's that. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.